Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to do Exp25 Word Chapter 2 Cumulative Pool Web. Basically this is the second chapter or second assignment of Word section of this Pearson course, and in this video I will be going to do each and everything. I will solve all of the questions in this video and you are supposed to follow me if you want to get this assignment done for you. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics, etc. So at start of the instruction you can see the project description. There is nothing to solve in this project description, but I suggest you to go through this project description so that you can get an idea about the assignment. Once you will read this project description, this will be easy for you to solve this assignment on your own. So I suggest you to read this project description well and get an idea about the assignment. Then we have main part of the assignment, that is steps to perform to complete this project. And total steps that we are supposed to solve are 19. So we are supposed to solve 19 steps or 19 questions to get this done for you. So in this video I will solve each and everything. And let me tell you, I am not only going to solve the question, but I am going to explain each and everything, and I will make you learn the word as well. So please keep following me. So now let's start with step number 1 or question number 1. Start Word, download and open the file named Exp25 Word Chapter 2 Cumulative Pool. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So I have already downloaded this Word document, and this is the Word document that we gonna use to solve this assignment. We will apply all the instructions to this Word document and we will make this Word document in the final form for the summation. So first step is just about downloading of this Word document. There is nothing else to solve in step number 1 or question number 1. So now let's start step number 2. Ensure non-printing characters are displayed. Select crystal clear perfection at the end of first body paragraph and bold it. Select all the text and change the font to Arial with the font size of 12. Change the alignment of selected text to justify. So first go to original document and then go to home tab, and in paragraph section you can see this symbol. This is for showing and hiding the non-printing characters. So we are supposed to show the non-printing characters. Then we are supposed to select this text that is crystal clear perfection, and we are supposed to apply bold formatting to this one. After applying bold formatting to this one, we are supposed to select all the text, and then we are supposed to change the font style to Arial. So we will change font style to Arial. Then we are supposed to change the font size to 12 points. Okay, so we have changed the font style, then the font size. Now we are supposed to apply justify alignment to all the selected text. Then go to home tab, and in paragraph section you can see these 4 different alignment options, but we are supposed to select last one because that is for justifying the text. So click on justified text. So we have justified the text. So that is all about step number 2. So we are done with step number 2 as well. So now let's do step number 3. Select the first 2 body paragraph and adjust the line spacing to 1.5. So we are supposed to select first 2 body paragraphs and adjust the line spacing to 1.5. Ensure that paragraph spacing before and after is 0 point for the selected paragraphs. So now we are supposed to select the first two body paragraph, and we are supposed to adjust the line spacing to 1.5, and we will make sure that there is no space before and after these selected paragraphs. Then we will apply a first line indent for the two paragraph of 0.5. So now let me select first two body paragraphs. These are two first body paragraph, and then go to home tab, and in paragraph section you can see this for the line spacing, and we are supposed to change the line spacing to 1.5. So here we have changed the line spacing to 1.5. Now it is saying that we are supposed to remove the space before and after the body paragraph. So for this, again we will go to home tab, and in paragraph section click this arrow. So in spacing section you can see that before and after spacing is auto, but we are supposed to make it to 0. So make it to 0. So we have removed the space before and after these two selected paragraph to 0. Now again we will select these two paragraph, and we are supposed to apply a first line indent of 0.5. For this purpose, again we will go to home tab, and in paragraph section click this arrow, and in indentation you are supposed to select this arrow and select first line indent, because we are supposed to apply first line indent to these two paragraphs. Select this one and make sure in by box it should be 0.5. If it is not 0.5, then type 0.5 here and click OK. So we have applied a first line indent of 0.5 to these two first body paragraphs, and that is all about step number 3. So we are done with step number 3. Now we gonna do step number 4, and step number 4 of the assignment is saying select all subheading that are formatted in bold and change the font size to 14 points. So now we are supposed to format the all heading that are given in bold in this original document, and we will change the font size to 14 points. So first heading that is bold is get rid of debris. We will select this one, then press and hold the control button, select this one, then again press and hold the control button and select this one, again press and hold the control button, select this one, again press and hold the control button, select this one, again press and hold the control button and select this one, and the last one is press and hold the control button and select this one. So we have selected all the heading that are given in bold in the original document. Now we are supposed to change the font size for this heading to 14 points. So select 14. So now you can see that we have changed the font size for these headings 14 points. So that is all about step number 4. So we have completed 4 steps of this assignment so far. Now we gonna do next step, that is step number 5. And step number 5 of the assignment is saying select the 4 paragraphs that precede the get rid of debris heading. This is the get rid of debris heading, and these are the 4 paragraphs. We are supposed to select these 4 paragraphs, beginning with check the pool water balance and ending with add an. Okay, we have selected these one. Okay, now add a box double line border with 3/4 line width and a color of blue gray text to shade the bordered area with the blue gray text to lighter 80%. So now we are supposed to apply a box border to these 4 paragraphs. So first we will select this, then go to home tab, and in paragraph section you can see this box. Click this arrow and from here select box and shading. Now we are supposed to apply a box border. So we will select second one. No, it should be a double line. So we will select double line, this one. Okay, this line style. So change the line style to double line. Color is blue gray text to so we will change the color to blue gray text 2. This is blue gray text 2, so we will change the color to blue gray text 2. And the width of the line is also mentioned in the instruction, that is 3/4. So now let me repeat, we are adding a box border to these 4 paragraphs. That should be box border. Line style is double line. Color of the line should be blue gray text 2. Width of the line should be 3/4. Now we are supposed to add the shading. So now we will click this shading tab and the shading should be blue gray text to letter 80%. So we will select this blue gray text to letter 80% and click OK. So now you can see that we have added a box to these 4 paragraphs as required in the instruction given in step number 5, where we were supposed to add a box border to these 4 paragraphs. Now we gonna do next step, that is step number 6, and step number 6 of the assignment is saying ensure the ruler is shown. Place the insertion point at the top of the document and press enter once. Click before the first newly inserted blank paragraph at the top. Drag the first line indent marker on the ruler back to the left margin to remove the first line indent from the blank paragraph. Set a left tab at 1 inch and right tab at 5 inch. Ensure the right tab includes a dash ladder option 3. So first of all, we will go to the original document and we will go to at top of the page and press enter. So now you can see that we have a new blank paragraph at top of the page, but this new paragraph has a first line indent. So you can see that it is at 0.5. Okay, either we can drag it here to make it 0, or other ways to remove the first line indent, just go to the home tab and in paragraph section click this arrow, and from here in indentation special first line indent and make it none and click OK. So now you can see that we have removed the first line indent from here. Now we are supposed to set the tabs. Left tab at 1 and right tab at 5, but remember that right tab should include a dash ladder, that is option 3. So go to original document again, go to home tab and in paragraph click tabs. So left tab is at 1, so we will type 1. In alignment we will select left and click set. So we have set the left tab. Now we are supposed to set the right tab, that should be 5, but a ladder of option 3. So type 5 now and in alignment section select right and ladder option should be 3 and click set and click OK. So we have set the tabs in the blank paragraph at the top of the document, and that is all about step number 6, where we were supposed to set the tabs. So we have solved 6 steps, and now we're going to do next step of the assignment, that is step number 7. And step number 7 of the assignment is saying press tab and enter your pool. Again we will press tab and we will enter your way. Change the font for your pool and your way to Lucida calligraphy. Bold both text items on the tabbed line and change the font size to 10 points. So first we will press tab and we will type your pool. We will press the tab and we will type your pool, and again we will press the tab and we will type your way. So we have typed these. So now we will change the text for these two to Lucida, font style of Lucida calligraphy. In my case it is showing here, but you can type in the search box to look for this font style, that is Lucida calligraphy. So I have changed the font style to the Lucida calligraphy for these two words. Now we are supposed to change the font size to 10 points. Okay, so I have changed the font size to the 10 points. Now we are supposed to apply bold formatting to these two. Okay, so I have applied the bold formatting to these two. So this is all about step number 7, where we were supposed to type your pool and your way, then we change the font style for these two to Lucida calligraphy, then we change the font size to 10, then we have bold these two words. Okay, now next thing is to do step number 8, because we are done with step number 7. And step number 8 is saying position the insertion point before the second sentence in the second to last body paragraph. The sentence begin with add more in hot water. Here, add more in hot water. 1 second, let me look for this one. Second to last body paragraph, here, add here. So we are supposed to position the insertion point before the second to last paragraph. So we are supposed to insert the insertion point here. Then it is saying delete the preceding space and delete the preceding space and period that ends the first sentence, and insert an em dash symbol and change the case of add to add. So we will delete space and period, then we are supposed to insert em dash symbol here. So click on insert tab, go to symbol, click more symbols and go to special characters, and first one is already selected, that is em dash, and click insert. Now you can see that em dash symbol is inserted here, and click close. Now we are supposed to make this capital A2 into small a, and that is all about step number 8. So we are done with 8 steps of this assignment, and now we gonna solve next step, that is step number 9. And step number 9 of the assignment is saying select the 4 paragraph in the shaded area near the top of page 1. So we are supposed to select the 4 paragraph in the shaded area at the top of page 1 here. Then we are supposed to apply numbering choosing the format 1, 2, 3, and you can see that these numbers are followed by a period. So we will select these 4, then go to home tab again. In paragraph section you can see bullets for the numbering, and we will select this number alignment left because these numbers are followed by a period. Okay, and that is all about step number 9. So we are done with 9 steps of this assignment so far, and now we gonna do next step, that is step number 10. And step number 10 is saying click at the top of the document and insert word odd. Selecting fill blue accent color 1 shadow. We will click at the top of the document. Then we are supposed to insert a word odd, selecting fill blue accent color 1 shadow, that is row 1 column 2. So Click here, go to Insert tab, then in text you can see the word art and select this one, second option, that is fill blue accent color 1 shadow. This is the word art that we are supposed to insert. Okay. Now it is saying type pool maintenance. We will type pool maintenance. Okay, we are supposed to type pool maintenance here. Then it is saying change the font size of the word art to 24 and change the text field to black text 1. So we will change the font size to 24 point. And the text fill, click on shape format and go to text fill here. Text fill should be black text 1. Okay. Okay, black text 1. Now next thing to do is ensure the word art font is Arial. Wrap text at top and bottom and visually center the word art horizontally on the first line. So now you can see that font style is Arial. Here you can see the font style is Arial. So select this whole word art, click shape format and go to wrap text and from here select top and bottom. Now we will visually center this using the guidelines here. This is center vertically and this is center horizontally. So we are done with this step, that is step number 9, where we were supposed to insert a word art. So in this video I have solved 10 steps for you, that is 70 to 75% of the assignment that I have solved for you in this video. But if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another powerful solution. Thank you so much again.